particular flowchart should look like. So can you tell me what exactly we should be considering over here? Don't take it down, it's of no use to you. First is obviously start, then input. You will have to input 5 marks. What could be this box? Yeah, it will be a question whether the student has passed in all the subjects. Yes, no. If passed in all, calculate the total percentage. And if the percentage is greater than 66, distinction, greater than or equal to 60, first class, greater than or equal to 50, second class, and greater than or equal to 40, pass class. We don't require these many branches in that case, and otherwise pass class. Here, what this box will do? Here I will say calculate in how many subjects the student has failed. If the number of subjects in which the student has failed is less than or equal to 2, then print 80 KT. Otherwise print fail. Stop. Is it logically through? Any doubt? From this branch you will not be coming to this branch. So there is going to be a division of the path. Processing will be dependent on some condition. It's not that any processing can be done at any moment. It will be subject to the particular condition, either it is true or it is false. Okay. Now when I proceed further, you can take down these 4 boxes if you are not aware of that, because then I am required to expand this flowchart, because you cannot just say whether passed in all 5 subjects. That condition cannot be written at the initial juncture. So we will have to expand that block also. Don't draw this flow chart, it's of no use. This is a first thinking that you could be having, roughly. May not be as useful as to write the program, but we should have the idea as what is our plan of action. How do we plan to solve the particular problem? Now, if I go on expanding it, I will have to still draw a smaller diagram now, because I am not going to write anything in these boxes. I have got in all 5 subjects. So this same thing I am going to draw 5 times. Can you just tell me what is my plan? I am going to write it 5 times. Think and tell me. I am expanding this block.